I was the only Jew in the library, as a matter of fact. That was the other very interesting thing about moving into a Christian world as somebody who didn't have Jewish formal education or Jewish institutional education, but I was approachable. And so people, if they had to go to a bar mitzvah, would ask me, what do you do at a bar mitzvah? What do you do? What do the high holidays mean? And they were my school, because it wasn't entirely comfortable being the only one they knew. But if they were getting the information from me, well, I darn well had to produce information that was accurate. Having to interpret Judaism from the kind of Jew that I was was very interesting. And I think it was probably good for me. I mean, I didn't feel threatened by it, but I did feel a responsibility of being Jewish that I might not have felt otherwise. I think that's probably that, and how I could shape Hanukkah for my children were two very, very major things, because we did do high holidays, and my father used to come out and do the Seder. He did one Seder here, and he went back to Boston and did the second Seder for my sisters. But I had to think about it. I had to think about a lot of these things. And so in a sense, I was more conscious of my Jewishness than I might have been otherwise. Maybe in a totally Jewish environment, I don't know. It's very funny. It's very funny.